Welcome to Guangdong Shunde NAKKA Environmental Appliance Technology Company Limited video show, and thanks for joining us. Let me first briefly introduce you the background of our company. NAKKA Smart BLDC Technology and Products is a manufacturing enterprise that based in Shunde, Guangdong, China. We focus on production and development of high-tech smart appliances primarily with DC household fans, DC commercial fans, industrial and ventilation fans. As a professional supplier of DC fan products, we have excellent cooperation team, committed to product design and development, quality control and inspection, as well as company operation. Our products are all intelligent control, energy saving, silent, stable, and durable. It is widely used in large warehouses, farms, stadiums, restaurants, shopping malls, sports, and other public areas, which need large area air supply places, and mainly export to developed countries in European and American markets like Germany, France, Spain, and the UK, and so on. They all achieved certificates like CE, CB, EMC, LVD, RED, CCC, ISO 9001, etc. And we accept ODM and OEM orders. Please feel free to contact us if you have any suggestions and idea on our DC fans. We are looking forward to cooperating with you and providing you with satisfactory products.